Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to make braised pig feet in Chinese style. First, we have to steamer the pig feet until they are tender. So we need a large pot or Dutch oven and fill it up with water. Bring the water to boil. For the steamering, we also need 2 slices of fresh ginger and 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. When the water is bubbling, we can drop the ginger and the salt to the water. These 2 ingredients will help get rid of the gamey taste of the pig feet. Then we can drop the pig feet into the pot one by one. Remember to drop the pig feet gently to the boiling water so that water won't splash to yourself. Then close the lid and let the pig feet steamer for 1.5 hours.